Hello, my name is Stephen Daniel with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will show you how you can update the SMTP server details for your Secure Access Link Policy Server 1.5 post-installation. Let's take a look at a few important points before we begin. The details of the email server that your policy server is configured to use for email notifications would have been collected and defined during the policy server installation. This tutorial will provide you the steps required to change this configuration from the policy server command line post-installation. With regards to the SMTP port configuration, you will need to ensure that you have TCP port 25 open from the SAL policy server to your SMTP server. At this time, only the default SMTP port, TCP25, is supported. Begin by logging into your SAL policy server as root. Next, navigate to the directory /opt/avaya/sal/tomcat5/common/classes. Execute the ls command and you should see a file with the name policymanager.properties. It is in this file that we'll need to make edits to with the VI editor to update our SMTP server configuration. Execute the command vi space policymanager.properties, then press enter to open up the file for editing. From here, press the / to enter VI search mode and enter the following value: com.exita.apm.notification.email.mail_server, just as you see it here. Once you have entered this text, go ahead and press enter. This would have moved your cursor down to the line we need to edit in this file. Press the number 12 followed by the letter W to move your cursor to the first character of the existing entry. Next, press the letter C as in Charlie, then the $sign to remove the existing entry to the end of the line. Now, go ahead and type in the fully qualified domain name of your new SMTP email server. Remember, you must have your policy server properly administered with a DNS server or an entry in the etc host file so that it can properly resolve this fully qualified domain name. This is the only edit required in this file. Let's go ahead and save our changes by pressing :WQ, then the exclamation point, then press enter. Let's now move on to restarting our policy server so that these changes can take effect. Back from our command line, change to the directory /opt/avaya/sal/policy. Execute the ls command and you should see the two scripts that are used to stop and start your policy server: a shutdown.sh script and a startaps.sh script. We'll first need to shut down our policy server, so we'll execute the command /shutdown.sh, then press enter. If successful, you should see a message indicating that the process has been terminated. Finally, go ahead and restart your policy server by now executing the command /startaps.sh, then press enter. If successful, you will see a message indicating that your policy server has started. You have now successfully updated the SMTP server configuration for your SAL policy server. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support@avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.